This account has grown to over 175,000 followers just by posting AI lip sync videos. That's why in this video I'll show you exactly how to create this type of avatar yourself, how to find and clone viral singing videos, and how to grow an account like this. Now if you look at their most successful videos, all of them are just singing videos. The formula is simple. 2 million views, 1 million views, 2 million, 3 million views for a pretty girl singing a known song, right? As you can see, same stuff right here. So first, what you need is create your AI avatar, basically the looks of your person. Now you can do that with AI, but a way I like to do is just go to Pinterest, describe an avatar that I want, maybe a pretty ginger, albino, whatever it is, and find some images for inspiration. Maybe this one for no particular reason, right? And once you find an avatar that you would like to use, you can just save the image. Once you do that, you'll need to go to vidcloner. Vidcloner is the app that allows you to clone any viral video and replace the people in the video with your avatars. You can see videos like these, right? Videos like this. And that's how we'll actually create those singing videos. We'll find viral singing videos first and replace the avatar in them with our own. So just go to vidcloner, sign up, upload the avatar image you downloaded right here, or you can just generate your own with AI. So just describe, pretty ginger, whatever it is, make it pretty and unique, right? Once you do that, you'll need to find videos to clone, and there are two ways. The second is faster and way better, but let me show you the first one. First one is finding videos yourself. So for example, video like this. Just a girl singing, lip syncing to an audio, right? And to find these, you can just go to TikTok and search up these things. A cappella, karaoke, singing, lip syncing. And once you find that, just go to, some hashtags. As you can see, you'll find thousands and hundreds of videos to clone. Now, when you find a video you want to clone, what you can do is simply copy the link, go to vidcloner, click create, paste your video URL right here, select the avatar image you uploaded, you could do Sydney Sweeney, whatever it is, and clone the video. But there's even a faster way. Instead of you searching for videos, what you can do is go to the inspiration tab. In the inspiration tab, you'll find videos that you can clone instantly. As you can see, we have UGC right here, but we don't need that. We go to the niche and we find videos tagged with singing or lip sync. And you can just click on the video, for example, this one, click clone this, select any avatar you want, maybe this brunette girl, and clone the video right away. And that's exactly what I did. I replaced this girl with Sydney Sweeney. Look at it. You go to the videos tab. Here you find all the videos you generated. Here are the videos I made. Right, this one and this one. Right? Now all you need to do is just download these videos and post them. That's how easy it is to create and grow an account like this. Now you do that, you push people to your product and you're good to go. So I'll link the app in the description below. If you have any questions, please let me know down below, and peace.